Hi everybody, thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Yvette. Welcome. I'm someone who has transitioned from dyed hair to my natural silver or white or gray hair, whichever one you want to call it. And mostly I just talk about this journey and also like styling my hair and a few other things. So anyway, just to get on with this video, today I'm going to be styling my hair using this very popular hairbrush called the Denman brush. Now, I'm a couple of years late coming to this, trying this brush to style my hair, but that's because I was told years ago as a curly haired person not to use a hairbrush because it created frizz, but to use a wide tooth comb. So over the years, when I started seeing a lot of beauty gurus using this Denman brush and saying it's really changed the definition of their curls, I was like, really? Is this just another like gimmick or what? But anyway, I'm going to try it today. This is going to be my first time creating defined curls with a hairbrush. So I'm going to go ahead and just use this water bottle and kind of saturate my hair a little more. Whenever I do naturally curly styles, I like to make sure that my hair is fully saturated with water. It is not good for me to start from dry hair. Right. Okay, everybody, so my hair is parted down the middle. I parted it down the middle specifically because I want to try two different styling products on either side of my head. On one side, I'm going to use this Aunt Jackie's Curl La La Curling Custard. I use this quite regularly when I let my hair dry naturally, and I really like it. The only thing is, I want to kind of get away from using all these custards because I don't like when they leave residue on my skin, or if it's going to touch my face, I don't want that stuff touching my face, and I don't want it on my neck. Just because, you know, I have skin issues. The other side, I'm going to use Aussie Sprunch Mousse with leave-in conditioner. Back in the day when my hair was naturally brown, I used to only use mousse, and I felt like it always gave me fantastic results. So I want to see, now that I'm all gray, if I can kind of get the same kind of results. And you'd be like, well, why wouldn't you? Well, because the texture is a little different than it used to be. So I'm going to go ahead and apply the curling custard first. I'm going to take about this much, and I'm going to apply it to this entire side of my head, starting at the bottom, but I'm also going to concentrate on these grays because they're a little frizzier. Now I'm putting it up closer to the roots or the scalp, but again, I'm going to put the majority of it on the ends. I'm going to wipe off the residue and then go in on the other side using the mousse. I know a lot of people think that mousse is drying on curly hair. I don't know where my glasses are, otherwise I'd read it, but I'm pretty sure it has alcohol in it. I didn't show you, but that's about how much I'm going to put in this side. Because this isn't a heavy cream, I feel more comfortable putting a lot more of it at the scalp and then all the way down. And I actually think I'm going to use another pump. So it's like a little bit more than a cotton ball size. Ooh, that is a lot. And I really want to concentrate back here where it tends to be frizzy also. Get the residual off of my hands. Now I'm going to go in with this t-shirt and just kind of like squeeze some of the excess water out. And now I'm going to go in and brush this using the Denman brush. And people said to start high, come down, and then give the edge a little twist. And then squeeze it. I don't know. We'll see. I'm pretty sure I'm doing this the wrong way, brushing it as many times as I am, but I'm me, and I don't follow the rules. Now this, I want there to be some kind of lift in the back, so I'm going to lift this piece up. And then I'm gonna scrunch it all. You guys, this better work. I better see some curls that are gonna be like, whoa, what did you do? Better not look like any other ordinary day, because I will totally be bummed. All right, so this is what I saw one girl do. Okay, I don't know. Well, I don't know. Let me just stop and continue. Now for the mousse side. I didn't squeeze it. I mean, honestly, I don't know that I have any time in the morning to go through all of this little delicate process. Like, seriously? I'm rolling out the bed, hopping in the shower, and usually running around with one pant leg on, trying to do everything else that I need to do to get to work on time. So this is a little bit much. You would think I was doing brain surgery. Like, I'm acting like I'm scared. Ugh. All right, let me get in here. And I know it probably looks frightful, but I'm kind of doing this with a little tiny mirror behind the camera so I can barely see what's going on. Which is stupid, because I have a mirror right here. Hold on. All right. And I'm going to lift this back piece here. Forgive me while I look in the mirror. Mirror. Yeah, this is looking a mess. Okay. Brain surgery. I can tell you right now, I am not impressed. And the strange thing is, I have like banana curls formed on this side, and this side is a little like looser curls or more broken apart curls. Well, still kind of damp on this side, but of course the curls are bigger, so I would have to hold the heat on it for a lot longer. I think I'm going to stop there. Definitely love this side a lot more. I love the way the curls look. They feel, well, they feel a little crispy. That could be because of the styling product. This side is definitely softer, but as you can see, it doesn't look that good. This side definitely is more appealing. But despite the fact that these are wet still, or damp, not wet, and look at that, like big udder, cow udders, I'm going to go ahead and break them apart to see if I can at least have it match the other side somewhat. Yeah, they still feel really wet. So I'm going to go in and heat them up. Well, what do you think? I personally like the mousse side better. I broke apart these big curls, but they still kind of hang, not as bodyful as this side seems to be. And I've been fluffing this as much as possible, but what's happening is it's starting to get a lot more frizz. I'll show you the back of my head, although it is kind of messy because I really whacked that diffuser around, but here you go. This is what it looks like. So I think that the Denman brush is actually a pretty good styling tool. I will go ahead and use my wide tooth comb again just to see if it really did make that much of a difference. I definitely will say I like the Miss Jackie's Creme de la Creme. I thought at first it left my hair gummy and I was afraid that it was going to make my curls stiff. Believe it or not, the mousse side is a little drier and crunchier feeling than this side. This side feels so much better as far as softness and moistness, but I like the mousse. I like this side better. It could be just the curl pattern, but I broke it up as much as possible, but it still kind of looks a little flatter, and the more that I try to like give it a little fluff, it's just getting frizzy, so I don't want to touch it anymore. So that's it. Tell me what you think. Which side do you like better? Do you have any styling tips that you want to share with me? That is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope everyone is doing well and looking forward to their holiday, or maybe you've already begun your holiday. Either way, be safe, be happy, and I'll see you at my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.